And Mary Kay, from that story with those inspiring young people, I want us to box out the rain today. We're going to have some
I wish
no
we
negativity,
could do that.
right? I just want to have positive thoughts about this day.
Absolutely, absolutely. Well, we have a weather alert just so everybody can be prepared, Suzanne, because we do have chances that we could have some localized flooding issues. Also, some big winds kicking up off the lake. Northeasterly winds could gust to 30 miles per hour. And that rain total forecast, 1 to 2 inches expected, 3 to 4 inches, though, certainly possible. As we look at radar, we have this persistent band of shower and thunderstorm activity sitting over the Fox River Valley. Lightning strikes as well with this. So as we zoom in a little tighter, you can see from Wayne to Wheaton, we are seeing this heavier batch of rain sort of drift in your way to Bloomingdale, but it's really sitting in the same place. That's given us rainfall rates now of 1.5 inches per hour with that complex as it's crossing over 55 now. Little lightning flash around Plainfield as well, so you may have a flash of lightning mixed in with this persistent rain as we roll through the day. Downpours are likely. Big winds are starting to increase. Right now we have wind gusts to 23 miles per hour at O'Hare. Notice how they're coming right off the lake. What that's doing is generating those dangerous waves. So a beach hazard statement up now through Monday morning. We're calling for waves to build 7 to 10 feet, especially as we get into this afternoon. Right now we have 4 and 5 foot waves, which is dangerous enough, but once it gets to 7 to 10, add rip currents to that, it is just hazardous at the lakefront. All because of this area of low pressure now, which is over the Quad Cities. It is deepening and strengthening and slowing down in its forward speed, so it's barely drifting southeastward, connecting with the Gulf, drawing all that moisture into Chicago. So repeated rains in spots through much of the day, much of the night. Then on Sunday, we have a leftover shower in the morning. 70 degrees right now. We're not going to move much temperature-wise. We're going 71 for the high. Windy and wet for us. That beach hazard statement staying up through Sunday, all the way through Monday morning. That may have to be extended. We see drier weather there to start the week. But in the meantime today, we are going to be dealing with ponding on area roadways. Watch for that. Never drive over rain-covered roads.